back with another video. Today I'm talking about this the condensation in the vehicle. Well, of course, this is kind of sitting here. I ain't really been using it nothing like that, but the deal is, you know, once it sit there a while, I guess, you know, the temp go from cold to hot, whatever it is. But it's been real cold here lately. So there go what I'm talking about, like that. You know, of course, it's probably most of the time on the glass, mostly every time. But let me get this stuff off of here. Get this off. I'd rather come down and see this stuff will mold up over after so long anyway. But yeah, that's the prime example right there of what's going on. It'll be on the inside. I actually thought it was raining in here one time because I saw so much water and moisture in the inside of the vehicle. From you know, I guess the condensation or whatnot, I guess what you call it here. And it's it'll be inside of the car. You know, you'll be seeing it here and there because I get like a temp going up and down. But you know, I seen a guy here he was talking about the what you call it, the amplifying the cold weather, which I don't know much about the issue on that, but he was wondering, should he take this stuff out of the vehicle? Well, a lot of people said no. You know, I ain't never took that out of the vehicle myself, but I wouldn't blame him. I mean, you know, you don't want to take that chance. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to take that chance in ruining some of your nerves or whatnot. It's yours. Go ahead and take it out. I had never did it, but of course y'all can see it is condensation. Of course that's on the glass, but you know, I don't know about nobody else, but I don't know where your amp is sitting at either. So you know, I done had water in different little places. You know, I done had water in different little places. So on the dash, I guess like I said, actually came off of there. I don't know about in that truck over there. I ain't had no problem out of that truck. I guess I got so much stuff stored in it. I don't know. But anyway, I had to say I had no problem with that one. But like I said, I had it in this one. Said something. So like I say, man, I'm gonna go over here and show y'all what I'm doing, because I don't drive my truck, so most of my stuff I cover it up anyway, just on the strength of, you know, ain't nobody coming up in the yard and nothing like that. I just cover it up anyway so you can't see it. So that way, you know, I can be secure on that end. And I don't know about the condensation. Of course, I see a little bit in the vehicle from here and there, but you know, it ain't probably enough to harm them. But I just always cover my stuff up anyway. But or you can't see it anyway. But let me go over and check this out. Show y'all what I got going. All right, I got this old weighted blanket. Well, any kind of blanket I just use just to cover it up. Anything I can use. Like I said, I just charge the truck up every so often, put it on the charger, cause it sits so long. Of course, I don't want my voltage to drop too low, but most of the time it don't drop too bad. But like I said, I just cover it up just so you can't see it. Of course, you can see that anyway, but you know, ain't nobody gonna be able to take that out of there. I don't really think nobody just be able to take this out of here no time soon, any kind of way, just quickly anyway. But hell, it's hard for me to get it in there, you know, myself. So if they did, it'd be hard to get it out if they had to, because it's pretty heavy and it's mounted down. And you know, I guess there's a will, there's a way. A criminal gonna be a criminal. But anyway, man, like I said, I got this weighted blanket over it, you know, just to keep cover it up or whatnot for safety reasons. Just an old blanket or whatnot. And like I said, I had a little moisture in here and there, just to avoid any of those issues. I'm gonna try to anyway, just in case. I just got me a little blanket over it, and that'll help me out. So what do you do? You know, I don't really do nothing really personally. I usually don't put stuff over it all the time until I saw a little moisture in the vehicle. So I just did that, you know. So let me know, what do y'all believe? Do y'all take y'all stuff out the vehicle? I'm not taking mine out. I never have. But what do you do? You know, you take it out after when the winter comes and you know, the off season. Do you rebuild every season, or do you just cover it all up, or what do you do to protect the equipment in the winter time or off season or whatever you want to call it? Personal experience, like I said, I just leave mine in and keep it playing. But let me know down in the comments below. I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one.